Hello, today I'll be showing you a property in Valencia, New Mexico. As you can see, it's pretty close to these main cities, so you're going to have everything you need as well as an airport just right over here. As you can see, it is between two mountain ranges, so you're going to have great views to the east and the west of this property. As I start to zoom in, you can tell that this property has great road access just right here on this main dirt road. As you can see, there's lots of stuff going around it. You have a bunch of developed ranch and structures along with utilities just along this main road, making it pretty easy to set up any structure you'd like on this property. There are no rules as far as camping and hunting goes, so you really can do whatever you like here. In Valencia, New Mexico, there are 3 nationally protected parks, so there's going to be lots to do outside. Lots of great hiking, lots of great biking, and lots of great views. This property is ranch ready. If you have any more questions on this property, feel free to reach out to us on our website. We're more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.